36 district court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. By course in session, no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, eating, driving, and smoking. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Is investigator reading? All right, this is the people versus Tamara Riley, ticket number B122368. Count one, harboring an unlicensed dog, ticket number B122369. Count one, harboring an unlicensed dog, ticket number B122370, harboring an unlicensed dog, ticket number B122371. Failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or produce proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B122373. Failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or produce proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B122374. Count one, failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or produce proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B129402. Harboring an unlicensed dog, and ticket number B129403. Failed to vaccinate dog for rabies or provide proof of a valid rabies vaccination. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Sydney Rogers for the people, P82072.
Good morning.
I'm sorry, before you go, let me have Investigator Hoskins say the same for the record.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, Detroit Animal Control, badge number 44.
All right, thank you. Go ahead, Mr. French.
Good afternoon. Good morning, everybody. Ron French appearing on behalf of Tamara Riley. 663.
Sorry. Ms. Riley, can you say your name, please?
Tamara Riley.
This matter is set for trial. I believe there's some kind of resolution, so I don't know if you want to place it on the record, Ms. Rogers?
Yes, Judge. There's a plea to Officer Hoskins tickets, 2 tickets, one for no dog license and one for no rabies vaccine. Will be a 12-month delayed sentence on those 2 charges, dismissal of the balance.
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
And Mr. French, does your client wish to avail herself of that offer?
Yes, she does.
So, Ms. Riley, can you raise your right hand, ma'am? Your other hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yep.
Are you saying yes?
I said yes.
Okay. You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Yeah.
Are you saying yes?
Yes, I did say yes.
Okay, I just need to make sure you're saying yes, not yeah or yup or any of that. I just need to get straight yes or no. You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah, they are not certified and vaccinated in Detroit at that time.
Okay, so you're pleading, so the answer is yes?
Yes, they were not.
Okay. You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I want to be done.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 28, 2022 to December 16, 2022 at around 10 a.m. On that date and time, I don't know if you resided at this location of 16111 Greenview in the city of Detroit.
I'm sorry, that was a question. Can you repeat that?
Did you reside at this address or were you at this address?
No, I did not reside at that address.
Are you familiar with this address?
Yes, it's one of the houses I own in Detroit.
Okay, so you're the owner of this address.
Yes.
Okay, and did you have a dog there that you failed to vaccinate for rabies or by proof of valid rabies vaccination?
The dogs that I own were not vaccinated or licensed at that address.
And then also on that same date, time, and location, were you harboring an unlicensed dog? I think you stated that the dog was not licensed.
Yep, not in Detroit.
All right. Ms. Rogers and Mr. French, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
The people are satisfied.
We are satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with factual basis. We'll accept the admissions. Mr. French, as to the remaining tickets, do you stipulate the probable cause as to those tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
They are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 12-month delayed sentence. So it looks like we'll be coming back in a year. Which is going to be June 12th. At June 12th, 2024 at 8:35. Ms. Riley, there's gonna be a fine of $200 for both tickets. So it's gonna be a total of $400 that you have to pay within the year's time. And then when you come back, you can't get any more tickets. When you come back, once you've paid the fine, you haven't gotten any more tickets, these matters will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. Is this like any type of ticket or the same ticket?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You said come back in 12 months, and if there are no more tickets, it will be taken off.
So, right. So essentially, no further police contact.
As to
So if
the
I got a
dogs,
speeding
it's her
ticket, for
question.
example. I'm sorry.
It's as to your animals, I believe.
Well,
Okay.
it's really just no tickets, no traffic tickets, no citations, nothing.
Right, correct.
Oh, so this is like a probation?
Sort of, it's just not reporting. The only thing you need to do is pay the fine, and you can't get any more tickets. No tickets, no traffic violations, no tickets regarding your dogs, nothing. And if you just have no further police contact, when you come back, this will be dismissed off your record. So you're not reporting to anyone, that's all you have to do. Did you have any other questions?
Yeah, that's not what was discussed prior, but not really a question for you.
That's exactly what a delayed sentence is. Usually, you have to do something, but that's how it works. All it is just keep living your life and just follow the laws of the land.
Yeah, I usually do. I actually do a lot in my community and do a lot for work. And I'm baffled by how the police, the animal control is harassing me over this. And meanwhile, we're having shootouts on our block and not getting any support with that. So I don't have an issue with following the law. That's exactly what I do.
That is their job. There are law enforcement agencies that are specifically deal with animals. So that's their job. So it doesn't sound like it's gonna be a problem, Ms. Riley. It sounds like you're a law-abiding citizen. You had a hiccup, and it's unfortunate that it got to this point. Because I'm sure if you had shown some kind of proof of vaccination by today, he's probably all could have been dismissed. But whatever, you've made admissions, and we're just gonna move forward.
Yeah,
Okay.
I submitted proof today and it still wasn't dismissed, but yes, let's move forward. I'm over it.
It's always up to the discretion of the prosecutor.
Yep,
And
I'm sure it is.
it's their case. It's their case. They consult with the investigators and they decide what is okay. So it's kind of one of those things.
Yep,
But it doesn't sound like this is gonna be a problem for you. It sounds like you will come back, you will have paid the fine, and this will be dismissed, and you will be done with you. So good luck to you, ma'am.
What was the court date? June 12th at what time?
At 8:35.
Is it possible to move up that date, Your Honor?
Move it up as far as this time, or make it sooner. it's a 12-month delayed sentence, and that's up to the prosecutor. So I think they would object to make you coming back sooner.
Can we propose that now? I can give more information about myself as a citizen. I don't feel like I'm any risk, and I would like to come back earlier.
No, that was the terms of the agreement. So,
Yes, thank you, Judge. That was the plea, the 12-month delayed sentence, and I did make a recommendation to dismiss 6 tickets. And just for the record, I did not see any proof of valid documentation for the city of Detroit today.
Yeah, it's because I was a resident of Ohio, so I showed proof of that, and I also showed what I submitted to the city of Detroit. I'm waiting for them to send me my information.
yeah, your dogs was they're supposed to be registered in the city. So,
Not if I don't reside in the city.
but the dogs do.
No, they do not. They live with me.
Okay. All right. Well, you're all set unless you had any other questions.
No.
Okay. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Counsel. Thank you, Hoskins.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here again, wasting my time. Thanks. You're welcome.
Miss Riley, now you're being disrespectful.